Hello, this is Avni Bharadwaj from Future Developers, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a database for a website. But before that, I would recommend you to watch the video regarding XAMPP server. The link for the video is provided in the description below. So let's get started. As you can see, this is our PHPMyAdmin panel. And now to create the database, we click on New. Here we need to specify the database name. Let's suppose I create CMS and click on Create button. This has created our database CMS. So here we need to give the name of the table. Let us say our table name is Users, having 3 columns. We press on Go. This has created our table named Users having 3 columns. For the first column, our attribute is ID. This gives us the user ID. It is of the type integer, int. So int is used for a normal whole number with a signed range of -214748368848 to 21474830647. Our next attribute is the user first name. So we write first name. It is of the type varchar. Varchar is a character data type having variable length, and its range is from 0 to 65535. Here we specify the length, say 50. Next we need to give the last name of the user, again varchar, and its length is 50. This creates our table. We can also make some modifications in our ID attribute. In the index field, if we specify it to be primary key is a field in the table which uniquely identifies each record in our database table. It must contain unique values, and a table can have only one primary key. A primary key is never null. So we click on Go here. After that, we enable the AI. AI stands for add index, and this is used to auto increment the value of ID in the table. And now we click on save. So our table has been created. In the SQL part, here we need to specify the queries for our table. For example, to insert values in a table, we click on insert command. This generates the basic syntax of the command. Insert into users. Users is our table name. The first attribute ID, the second first name, and the last name. So we specify the values. ID 1, first name Avni in quotes, and Bharadwaj. We have given all the attributes their values. From here we can check our entries. ID specifies 1. We are given with the first name, last name. So this was all about creating database for a website. Hope you liked the video. Do share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.